guys, so I'm gonna do a Ipsy haul. I just received my box today and I wanted to go ahead and open it because I have a trip tomorrow and I do want to see what kind of stuff there is so that I can pack in my bag and hopefully get to use on one of my days for my trip. So I am opening it up now, and if I'm not mistaken, this is the bigger box. I wanted to see what was the difference between the bigger box and what the original Ipsy box is like. I've been receiving Ipsy for a while. I just wanted to step it up a notch, see if it was worth it. And I believe I paid for this one was $25 as opposed to the $15 or $10, something like that. Yeah, so it's called the Glam Bag Plus. And says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. I don't know if you guys could see that. And then it just has this like foam cover to it. All right. So one big thing that I noticed is that there is no bag, or it doesn't look like there's a bag, but it looks like there's a lot of full-size products here. The first one that I'm going to pull, and I'm just going to, okay, so this is what the card looks like, and it just says dive in, blah, 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 summer, full service. Okay, so, all right, so I'll pull it out according to what I have here. So the first item I have here is Pixie by Petra Glow Mist, and that would be this right here. And just looking at it, I don't know if you guys could see what what I'm looking at. It looks like it's kind of oily. I don't know if you guys could see that at all. But just looking at it, it looks like, see on the very top here, the buildup of oil. So let's read about it because I don't know. It says, step up your summer glow with this lightweight mist. It's formulated with 13 natural essential oils like rose flower, lavender, aloe vera, and fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a gorgeous dewy finish. Shake it up, mist onto skin before makeup or all over your face, hair, and neck throughout the day for a refreshing pick-me-up. All right, so that's what that is. So I guess you're supposed to shake it up and then see how the oils just kind of mix. But that's what that is right there. Sorry for the glare, I'm like right in front of the window. It's the only kind of lighting I could get. All right, so the next item, it says Naked Cosmetics. Let's see. All right, Naked Cosmetics 4-piece pigment set. That would be this one here. Let me open that up. I thought it was some kind of a foundation just looking at it, just because of the way the box is, but it looks like it's, oh, this is cute. All right. Oh, that's adorable. So it is just like a set of pigments, and then this is what the top of it looks like. This is what the, so it's just, you could see it shaking in there, just a powder pigment. And it says a value of $40 for this one. Let's see. Loose pigments, mix and match them to create endless eye looks. Use a dense shader brush to apply over the lid. Blend into your eye crease. Then you could smudge, blah, blah, blah. You can also use these pigments as a highlighter or mix with your favorite lip gloss and nail polish to make them shimmery. Interesting. So these, they're all wrapped up, but they come apart. which is cool. That's pretty interesting. All right. And like I said, that one was valued at $40. The mist was valued at $15. So the next item I'm going to pull up is the Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. Sorry, I'm still getting over that cold or whatever thing I had. This one's valued at $45. And that's that there. And let's open up this baby. Lightweight, oil-free gel cream, nourishing and moisturizes. It says oily, combination, normal, even sensitive. So aside from being one of our favorite summer fruits, watermelon is so good for your skin. Star ingredients, lightweight balm packed with vitamin A, C, and E to help hydrate, brighten complexion, regenerate your skin cells, plus aloe. Apply a pea-sized dot onto your forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Use your finger to smooth it evenly around your face. Wow, energizing aqua bomb. I kind of want to smell it and see what it... Oh, it does smell like watermelon. It has the little cover to it, but I could smell it right through the cover. Oh, it does smell like watermelon. Yum. Cool. Wow, that smells really good. All right. Well, that's fun. Yay. I'm kind of excited about this box. It's nice getting something different as opposed to like the little sample size things. You get some really good larger items. All right, so the next thing I'm going to pull out is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Bryn, valued at $24. And that would be this one here. The back it just shows with. This is what it looks like with. This is what it looks like without. Bryn is considered the rich black. And let's see if I could just open this up. Wow, these products are huge. I mean, they're full size. Wow, okay. So that's a nice mascara, liquid lash extension. And that's what the applicator looks like. Doesn't smell like anything, just smells like normal. Nice. And that is the Thrive Liquid Lash Extension. Cool. It says it separates lashes and helps prevent clumping, while the formula is infused with the orchid stem cell complex to stimulate lash growth and soften fibers for dramatic length and lift. Cool. All right. And the last item I'm showing in my box here is the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette in Golden Sands, and this is valued at $45. The lash extension was valued at $24. So basically, I believe I paid $25 for this box, and that is really a good value. I mean, you do get some pretty cool things here. This is a 3D highlighter palette. Why can't I say that? I'm like tongue twisting. And that's what comes out of this package here. Ooh, this is what it comes as. And then Oh, is that pretty? Look at those shades. Unreal. So the number 1 is called To Prep. Apply Fiji as a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. Number 2 is Dab, which is this one here. Dab, it's called Seychelles. From cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. Number 3 is Sculpt, and this is the Apply Tahiti under cheekbones to add dimension and shape. That's that one there. And then number 4 is Flush. It says sweep Zanzibar on apples of your cheeks for healthy glow. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys could see how gorgeous those colors are. Let me see if I could just swipe. Ooh. So that first one, Fiji, is like really golden. Seychelles. Ooh, that one's like a less of a, it's the same, it's similar to the first color, Fiji. Okay, Tahiti. Tahiti is more of a deeper golden color, and then Zanzibar. Zanzibar is a little rosy. So I don't know if you guys going to be able to see these things right here. Fiji went on like right away. Seychelles. Okay, so this one is, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so this one is Fiji right here. This one is Seychelles. This golden one here, let me put it a little bit more. That one's that one, and then that one's that one. Okay, so now you'll be able to see a little bit better. So that one is the Tahiti, and then that one is the Zanzibar. So that one you could see is a little bit rosier, and then that one is the Tahiti, which is a little bit more browner. That one is I want to say like a brighter version, but this one is golden right here. Very pretty. That is really pretty. But this first one right here, the Fiji, I didn't even have to, I just did it once and it's right away. So yeah, I'm excited about this box. The only thing I didn't get was a bag, which is fine because it came in this foam thing. Which is fine because they send like bags every single time you get that Ipsy, and I just got an accumulation of bags that I really don't do anything with. I mean, there's only so many bags you could use, so it's perfectly fine. I'd rather trade off in not having a bag and having full-size products than getting the bag and not having much of like anything. But I appreciate you guys sticking around with me, and those subscribers that have stuck with me since the beginning. Oh my God, you guys, I love you guys. I don't know why you're sticking around. I mean, I'm not like the biggest YouTube person or around, and I just appreciate that you guys stick with me every day, and I throw videos out there. And if you guys like the videos, I would love it if you guys just thumbs up the video and leave a comment. Just tell me anything. I don't care. Like, tell me how your day's going. Tell me what you're up to. And I just appreciate you guys. And I appreciate the fact that you guys watch these videos. Sometimes I know they're silly and there's not much content to them. And I mean, it's just part of my day. It's just what I do. So sometimes I fly out. Sometimes I stick around. Sometimes I open up these boxes. It's just fun to look at, and I just appreciate that you guys have stuck around with me since the beginning. So, and for those new subscribers, thanks guys. Wow, you guys are amazing. And yes, keep leaving those comments down there, and just, you know, chat with me. Let me know how your day's going. I appreciate you guys, and don't be afraid to, you know, say something down there. That's fine. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. I will have a couple more videos going up soon. I do have a trip coming up on Wednesday. Today is Monday. I don't even know what day it is anymore. Today is Monday. I just got back from a trip. And then that was the one that I left about Casper, Wyoming, and I did a couple of other things out in Casper, Wyoming. And then those trips were late night trips, so I really didn't get to do much. My next trip, it should be earlier in the day, and I'll be able to film some other things, maybe explore a little bit. But those late night trips, I really don't get to explore very much. I'm trying on these new shoes that I just got from Wish. I've never ordered from Wish before, and I'm going to show you guys these shoes. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, like they are adorable. But I think I ordered them a half size too big, so I'm just walking around the house in them. I just got them as well, and I'm going to show you what they look like. They're so cute though. I think they're cute. They may not be your taste, and that's fine. Everybody's got different tastes. And that's what makes the world go round, you know. Hold on, I'm just trying to take it off. It's very easy to come off. The only problem is I'm trying to do this with one hand. Hold on. I'm down here. Hold on one second. Okay. Let me move this out of the way before I knock it down. And my scissors. Okay. But they're so, to me, they're so cute. I'm coming. All right. Aren't these like the cutest shoes? So this is the way they buckle, and I didn't realize this when I looked at it on the website. So let me show you. So, okay. See the way okay. Now the shoe, I think it's cute. So the shoe itself buckles where it just slides in the little gap there, and that's it, you're buckled. See, when I looked at it on the website, it just looks like a regular buckle right here, but no, it just slides in. And I think I ordered a half size too big, which is fine. If you guys are interested in these shoes, I'll leave the link down there. Just let me know that you're interested, and I can just, you know, tell you guys how much. I don't even remember how much. They were cheap. They were cute. I just thought they were adorable. And it doesn't say what size these are. And they didn't really take very long to get here. Cute, huh? They didn't take very long to get here, which I'm happy about. So I will leave you guys. Go do your things and enjoy your day. And I hope you guys are having a great day and your weather is nice. It's like 90 degrees out here. I took a walk this morning to the store, but it was just way too hot. And now I'm here back at home, and I got these things to entertain me with. So I love you guys. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.